Hey guys, MC Glam Squad here. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a new video on a DIY glass mirror tray that can be used for anywhere around the house. So let's get started. Okay, the items you're going to need to make this DIY mirror tray is Gorilla Glue, Bling wrap, 4 mirrors, 4 small Octagon mirrors, 2 foam boards, and the tools you're going to need is a hot glue gun, scissors, X-Acto knife, and a pencil. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is place your 4 mirrors down on top of the 2 foam boards and trace out the outer perimeter of the 4 mirrors. Now you're going to go ahead and cut out those lines that you just marked on the foam board. Now you're left with your 2 pieces that you will be using for your tray. And never get rid of those foam boards, you can keep it for another DIY project. Now we're going to go ahead and put the Gorilla Glue on one of the foam boards and stick them together and press down firmly. Now you're going to place your 4 mirrors on top just to make sure you have all the right measurements. Now we can go ahead and start gluing down our 4 mirror pieces. The Octagon mirrors we purchased from our local Dollar Tree had these stickers on the back, so you just remove it with a knife and continue on. Then we're going to make sure to place those mirrors directly in the middle of the base mirror and making sure to glue it and press down firmly. I decided to add some bling wrap to cover the finished edges of the mirror and now we're going to measure out the bling wrap for the outer perimeter of the foam board, and also we're going to hot glue them to the edges. And here is the finished product. This tray came out fabulous. I am completely in love with the style and how it looks. It's amazing. You can place this tray on your ottoman or anywhere in the home. It is versatile and absolutely glam. And here are some close-up shots of this beautiful tray. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what our next DIY should be, and let us know if you're able to make this tray and how you utilize it in your home. Thank you guys for watching so much, and have a blessed day.